Good morning everybody. Myself Mr. Duryodhan Das, lecturer mechanical. My subject is elements of mechanical engineering and the topic is thermodynamics, heat, its unit, work and first law of thermodynamics. First of all, I will discuss what is thermodynamics. It is the branch of science which deals with the relationship between heat, work and properties of system. Then I will discuss what is heat. Heat is defined as the energy transferred without transfer of mass due to the temperature difference between the system and surrounding. So, the transfer of heat takes place from higher energy, that is source, to sink. That means heat can transfer from source to sink. Therefore, then I will discuss the unit of heat. In CGS system, the unit of heat is calorie. Then I will discuss what is calorie. 1 calorie is that quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree centigrade. Then kilocalorie. In MK system, the unit of heat is 1 kilocalorie. The definition of 1 kilocalorie is that quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water through 1 degree centigrade. Then another unit of heat are joule, kilojoule, etc. Then what is centigrade heat unit? It is the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water through 1 degree centigrade. That is known as centigrade heat unit. Then another unit is British thermal unit. It is defined as the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water through 1 degree Fahrenheit. Then I will discuss what is work. When an external force is applied on a body, the body changes some distance from one place to another place in the direction of force, then some work will be produced. In the diagram, here force is applied at body A. Then the body changes some distance, that is L. Then final position is B. Then work is equal to F into L, where F is equal to force and L is equal to distance. Then unit of work. When force is in kgf and distance is meter, then work is equal to kgf meter. When force is in Newton and distance is meter, then W is equal to Newton meter, that is equal to joule. When force is in dyne and distance is centimeter, then W is equal to dyne centimeter is equal to arc. These are the unit of work. Then I will discuss what is Joule. When 1 Newton force is applied on a body, the body changes distance of 1 meter, then 1 joule of work will be produced. Then work. When 1 dyne force is applied on a body, the body changes of distance 1 centimeter, then 1 org of work will be produced. Therefore, this is org. Then I will discuss first law of thermodynamics. This law states that whenever there is a cyclic process of a closed system, mechanical work done is directly proportional to the heat transfer. Let us consider a gas undergoes a cyclic process along the line 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 1. Let W1 work done by the gas when it expands along the line 1-2. Then W2 work done by the gas when it expands along the line 2-3. Then W3 work done by the gas when it is compressed along the line 3-1. Then Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1 heat can be absorbed when it expands along the line 1-2. Then Q2 heat is absorbed when it expands along the line 2-3. Then Q3 heat is rejected when it is compressed along the line 3-1. Then during a cyclic process, total work done W is equal to W1 plus W2 minus W3. Then net heat transfer Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 minus Q3. Then according to first law of thermodynamics, W is directly proportional to Q. Then W is equal to JQ or J is equal to W by Q. This is the mathematical formula for first law of thermodynamics. Then I will discuss next class another topic, that is specific heat at a constant pressure and specific heat at a constant volume.